Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a rather sad day. We need to say goodbye to my daughter and her fiancé. As they head back home, duty calls. But first, we still have a drive from Mata to Twee Rivieren ahead of us. The trip may be coming to an end for them, but the memories we made out here will stay with us forever. Now let's enjoy the road, the wildlife, and every last minute together before it's time to part ways. First, we came across a lone young male lion that has just finished drinking. And then things got even better. Lions in the road. Seeing them glowing in the soft morning sun was absolutely beautiful. One of those unforgettable Kgalagadi moments that makes you sit in silence and simply takes it all in. Then came our second sighting of a Ludwig's Buzzard on this trip. Not long after that, we were treated to another beautiful sighting, but yet foxes busy with their early morning activities. What an incredible morning it was turning out to be. After all the excitement, we made a quick bathroom and coffee break at Kamkwa picnic site before continuing our journey. After a late breakfast, it was time for the difficult goodbyes. Hugs all around, a few emotional moments, and then our daughter and her fiancé headed home, while we made our way to Rooiputs, where we'll be spending the next 3 nights, ready for more Kgalagadi magic, unforgettable sightings, and new memories waiting around every corner. Arriving at number 5, we even had a nice little chat with some of the locals while they checked out the water tank situated inside the camp. Not before long, camp was all set up at number 5, our home for the next 3 nights. Late afternoon, we headed out for a relaxing drive towards Melkvlei and back, hoping for a few special sightings before sunset. At KK Dam, the towny eagles were already hard at work enjoying their dinner. Nature can be harsh at times, but moments like these are a reminder of the raw beauty and reality of life in the Kgalagadi. A quick drive around Melkvlei. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.